of decades, the country is undergoing what I would call terrible stress because of the mismanagement of the economy and the historical poor governance that has come to be associated with the Kenya Kwanza regime. You know, Jim, as we speak, all possible institutions of democracy have been captured by this Ruto regime, starting with Parliament, where I sit. You know, the judiciary is on its deathbed. The last line of defense, which is the media, is also under serious threat as we speak. Serious threat. And I heard the KUJ Secretary General speak a while back. The media must stand firm, to defend their space. If only to defend these poor fellas, the common person. Can you imagine that as we speak, even media advertisement in the media is now being used as a political tool to kill those media houses that have failed to toe the line.
Ruto has killed devolution. He is refused to allocate, and that is not even his responsibility. But through using strong arm tactics, he is not allowing the commission to work together with institutions to bring money to the counties. So he's killing counties. Ruto is killing the courts. I don't want to talk generally, because when you talk generally, then people would not know who is doing what.
Na ripoti hiyo igakindike